I'm Tina from Wildlife Explorers in Macclesfield, and in this video we're going to be giving you some tips on bird watching. There are lots of reasons you might want to do some bird watching. You might want to learn a bit more about nature, or you might be interested in identifying some of the birds. The other reason is to have a look at some of the interesting bird behaviour that you can observe. The best piece of equipment to use when you're bird watching are binoculars. To set your binoculars up correctly, I'd advise having a look at some of the tutorials on the internet. I'd recommend the one by Nick Baker, and then you're ready to use them. Whenever you use your binoculars, it's important to bear a couple of safety tips in mind. The first one is to keep your binoculars safe. Make sure that you've always got the neck strap safely round your neck. The next thing is, don't walk along with your binoculars up to your eyes. You can fall over, hurt yourself. The last really important one is never look at the sun with your binoculars. You can damage your eyes. You can watch birds in all kinds of habitats. In your garden at home, in the local park, or in the countryside. Or you can come to a nature reserve, like I'm here today. One of the best places to watch birds is in your garden. You can encourage more birds to visit your garden by providing bird food, some water, so water to drink and perhaps a bird bath. And then you can also look at providing some nesting opportunities, so bird boxes or roosting pockets. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have lots of fun bird watching.